Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today's video is gonna be our empty house tour. I'm so excited to show you guys our new house. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the front door, and then as soon as you walk in the front door, this is our living area. So over here we have a really cute fireplace, and then we plan to mount our TV up there if it will fit. And so yeah, this is a really nice room right here. Hey baby, what are you doing? And then over here is probably going to be our dining area, but I'm not exactly sure yet. It may be just a play area for now until we get our table in. And then over here is our kitchen, which is super big and spacious, and I'm so excited about it. It's probably one of my favorite places in this house. We actually have our refrigerator and stove and microwave coming this weekend. So yeah, today is Wednesday and they'll be here this weekend. So I'll show you guys those when we get them. And then if you keep going in here, there's another little area right here, which I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do with it. And then over here is our pantry, which I'm also super excited about because there's a ton of room in here. So over this way, this is our laundry room in here, and it's actually super spacious in here. And then we have a little side door over here, and then the laundry room continues this way. And we actually have these built-in cabinets that are already here, which is super nice. And then over here we have a little back deck, which I also really like because we're gonna have a little fire pit and some porch furniture and stuff out there, and then a sliding door, so that's really cool. So if you come back through the kitchen and back this way, we'll come back to the entry and I'll show you guys the master bedroom. What, baby? Is Daddy in there?
Hello, baby.
So this is the master bedroom. This will be mine and Seth's room. And then over here we have our closet, which will probably be my closet. Is that right? Mm-hmm. And then you're gonna use the other closet in there? Mm-hmm. Or are we gonna share this one? And then in here is the master bathroom, which is really cute. We have a big bathtub over here, and then over on this side we have the shower, and then you keep walking and here's the commode and stuff. So it's super spacious in here, which I really like also. And there's a ton of mirrors in here. So yeah. So if you keep walking back into the living space and then you go down this hallway, on this side there's a ton of bedrooms down here. So this first bedroom will more than likely be the playroom for now, and then later on the nursery when we have more kids. So yeah, it's just a basic room, and then all of the bedrooms actually have pretty decent sized closets in here. So yeah, that's this room. And then if you keep walking down this hallway on this side, this is gonna be probably Baylee's bathroom, or like the guest bathroom, I guess you could say. But yeah, it's super cute. I don't really know exactly what colors we're gonna do in here yet, but yeah, just a little simple bathroom in here. And then on this side, this bedroom right here is gonna be Baylee's bedroom, which we're gonna fix up super cute. And then over here is Baylee's closet, which is also pretty spacious. So yeah, that's super nice. Hank, Daddy will be right back, baby, okay? Daddy will be right back. So when you walk out of Baylee's room, of course you have the bathroom on this side, and then down this way is the living area. And then if you turn this way, there's actually 2 more bedrooms down here. And then this one is just a little linen closet, which is super nice for storage and towels and blankets and extra stuff like that. And then on this side, this is going to be Seth's gaming room that I told you guys about before. So he's gonna have his desk and gaming stuff in here. And then this is Seth's closet. So these 2 bedrooms in here actually don't have lights in the closet, so we're gonna have to get those put in. But this closet's actually a pretty decent size as well. And then this one's more than likely gonna be Seth's closet. So if you walk this way, there's actually a, I think it's called Jack and Jill bathroom. So yeah, there's a little bathroom in here. And it's super cute, but I'm gonna go back around this way and show you guys the entry to the other room. So this room right here is going to be my office, so I can like study for school and stuff like that, which I'm so excited about. I have some super cute plans for this room, so I can't wait to show you guys that. And then over here, there's another pretty decently sized closet in here, which will more than likely be like storage and like my storage stuff. And then of course you have the bathroom again, which I love. So yeah, just a little small bathroom. So yeah, I'm so this is my favorite room of the house because I'm so excited to have an actual office. So yeah. So I think that is the whole house. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.